Located in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida, the Guantanamo-Matanzas National Estuarine Research Reserve is home to more than 73,000 protected acres of coastal land. The GTM Research Reserve is dedicated to the conservation of natural biodiversity and cultural resources through research, monitoring, and education. Life on our planet depends on our oceans, and yet almost 7 million tons of trash are dumped into the oceans each year. This trash is called marine debris and is threatening to human and marine life. Here in St. Augustine at GTM NER, biologist Lauren Flynn researches the effects of marine debris.
Here at the GTM NER, my job title is the Florida Clean Coastal and Ocean Water Coordinator for the South Atlantic Alliance. There's a science behind marine debris now. There's folks who study marine debris in depth. So GTM NER is part of that, and I am the St. Johns County Coordinator for marine debris.
Marine debris is any man-made object disposed of or abandoned that eventually makes its way into the marine environment. Marine debris can include anything from plastic bags to oil spills and poses as one of the most severe threats to the sustainability of the world's natural resources.
People think ocean and they think, that we couldn't possibly have that much of an impact on the ocean. It's so vast, but it's really not the case.
One of the most detrimental effects of marine debris is the endangerment of marine wildlife. Studies have shown that a staggering 80% of seabird populations observed worldwide have ingested plastics. When seabirds, sea mammals, or fishes ingest plastic particles, it can block their stomach and can harm or even kill them. These small plastic particles are known as microplastics.
Microplastics, meaning all the plastic that does end up in the ocean degrades by means of the properties of the water, the sun, so it photodegrades. So you can see, hard things become very soft and they break into lots of little pieces. And this is actually the majority of the problem in terms of marine debris. Most people have heard about the garbage patches in the ocean, the gyres of just, garbage, and people say, why can't they just go scoop it up, right? Those huge patches of garbage are really a soup. They're like a suspended soup of litter that's just been broken down, if that makes sense. So obviously it makes it very hard to clean up.
In addition to microplastics posing a threat to marine life, much larger forms of debris also pollute our ocean's waters and threaten human life. Part of Lauren's job is finding a way to remove and dispose of these huge pieces of debris. She also organizes local coastal cleanup events.
The NER has been involved for about 10 years with the Ocean Conservancy as a site for the International Coastal Cleanup. On one single day, it's usually September, coastal communities all over the world on the same day go out and pick up marine debris, trash from beaches. It can also be rivers, lakes.
We can all do our part in eliminating marine debris by being more conscientious of the delicate nature of our environment, recycling our disposables, and participating in coastal cleanup events.
So my point to folks when I talk about it is to literally just throw your trash away, which sounds pretty simple, but yet it's a huge problem. You can leave your trash in the middle of a park in Iowa and it will find its way to the ocean.
For additional information or to discuss these issues further, please visit the GTM Research Reserve website at gtmner.org.